Hi guys, how's it going? Today we have a viewer submission, and this is one where we actually swapped a face in earlier. And I just wanted to go ahead and walk you through how I would crop this, color adjust it, put a vignette on it, and take it from in the camera to a complete photo. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're done swapping this cute little face. I'm going to hit F8 to flatten. That's also, you could click over here on the actions. If you need a copy of my actions, Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com, gladly send them over to you. Or if you don't have the actions, you don't want the actions, you can just go up here to click flatten image. So I usually start by cropping, and we're going to crop 8 by 10. If your numbers aren't up here, you just type in 8 inches, 10 inches by 8 inches, and boom, there we go. I'm going to drag these corners down. Very nice. Kind of adjusting this. Perfect. I don't think this little wrinkle down here would ever show, but let's just fix it just for fun. Clone stamp, keyboard shortcut S, 100%, using the bracket key to the right of the P to make this a little bigger. And I say Alt click, and then just go right here. Boom. Super easy, guys. Alt click right here. Done. That's fine. Perfect. Okay. So I do notice that this looks a little bit yellow to me, so I want to take some of that out, give them a more natural skin tone. So we're going to go up here to our level slider, and let me say there's a million ways to do this. This is just the way I'm doing it in this one particular photo. In another photo, I might do it a completely different way. If you have a better way, I'd love to see it. So I'm just going to go to my level slider, double click on the histogram, select my white eyedropper tool, and I'm going to pick a part of the photo that I believe is supposed to be very white, which is this. Now, this is a little too much color adjustment, so I'm going to go here to my opacity on my layers palette, click 100%, and just drag it down a little bit. There we go, F8. Other ways that you could do this, I'm just going to go back. You could say image, adjustment, auto tone, and see what you come up with. I would have preferred to do that. Control J to make a make another copy, make another layer here, image, auto tone, and then that way you can reduce it down just a little bit. So we'll go with that. F8 to flatten. Back to my level slider. I don't think we have a lot of exposure adjustment to do. I'm going to drag this up just a hair. Our midtones, drag it up, and then our shadows, bring that down just a little, just to give it some pop and some contrast. F8 to flatten. Again, flatten is over here on your actions, or layer flatten up there. Awesome. Okay. This is looking good. I'm loving it. If we wanted to do a little bit of face touch up, which I don't think needs to be done, but we can grab our healing brush. I'm going to hit Control J to make a layer. I'm just going to boom, boom, hit that. Grab that here. There we go. And I made the layer with the intention that I could go back and reduce the opacity to kind of undo what we just did. But I think it looks fine just like that. So we're going to go with it. Hit F8. Clone stamp right here. And we're going to go to lighten mode at 24%. I'm going to alt click right here on Thad's forehead and just hit right underneath these eyes just to brighten them up a little bit. Very nice. Let's look at our before and after. There's before, after, just a little touch up, just a little touch up never hurt anybody. So I'm good with this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and throw my full black overlay from my actions. And I'm using my 17% brush that it automatically selected to just slowly brush the family back in. I'm trying to draw the viewer's eye to the center of the photograph, to these beautiful faces. So that was all with a 17% brush and about 6 clicks. Gonna grab my 50% brush. There we go. Focusing on faces. 100% brush. Click, 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 click. That's good. And then I'll probably grab, I'm going to make this like 70%. I'm making it small. And I'm going to go in and just individually click on some of these lights just to kind of quote unquote turn them on a little bit. There we go. Clickety click, click, click. It just adds a little fun, a little dimension. And I'm going to go back and soften this. So I know that looks super harsh there. Don't worry about it. I got you. There we go. And then 17% brush right over there. Maybe that corner. Maybe like reduce the opacity. Perfect. Before, after. I like it. What do you guys think? I'd love to know in the comments. If you need a copy of my actions, you can reach out to me at Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.